Today is finally the day. It's July 23, 2021, and I'm graduating. I can vividly remember the excitement I felt when I saw the campus for the first time.
Center, the London Eye is there. Sa area lang ngayon. There's a shopping center. That's my school! Sorry. Oh my gosh, that's her school! It's just there. It's so funny. Oh, it's so funny. Oh, we're so happy. Her school is just there. Wait. Here. Honey, ano? There. Lapit as in. 5 minutes lang siya. Literal.
It's kind of like life flashing right before your eyes when you look back and see the journey that you ventured into to get to where you are now. And honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way.
Ayan.
Tayo lang tao dito.
We are in the London Eye.
Yeah.
I was actually supposed to study here at UAL in 2015 as a freshman for the bachelor's program in journalism. I already had my acceptance letter, my accommodation, lahat. The only thing missing was a visa. But God said no, not just once, but twice. Honestly, it was such a heartbreaking moment for me. I placed my energy into different things just to distract myself and of course to get by. I competed in nationals for the last time. I gained work experience while finishing my literature degree in LaSalle. Explored more of what the Philippines had to offer. I utilized that energy and time while I fervently waited for his yes. And like what they said, all things fall into good place in his perfect timing. The answer of yes finally came in September of 2018.
Airport. Time to go. Do you like your seat?
I like it. It looks nice there. Yeah. Aircraft looks nice.
I knew deep in my heart that 1, I wanted to study in UAL, 2, I wanted to major in lifestyle journalism, and 3, I wanted to live in England. My love for the UK was established when I moved there, having not been there ever in my entire life, and it just kept on growing as the months and years passed, the longer I stayed there.
Really a nice day out for a walk today, and I'm so thankful that the sun finally showed up. Hi! Larger than life. Perfect. This is Nora. This is Rashida. Hello. Hi, Dad. Hi, Wai.
There's just so much to love about UAL and London, and I just feel incredibly blessed that the Lord brought me to that wonderful place. The 15-month program flew by so quickly. I fought every bout of homesickness, knowing that time flew by so fast that I felt that I really had to maximize and take in every single moment that I was there. And I'm honestly glad that I did.
So, wait, there's Lorena.
Yeah, so this is our classroom. We've been having our lectures here since September. Hello. I have more free time after my studies that's going to conclude in the next 2 to 3 weeks, maybe probably go on a food trip somewhere. Hello, today's outdoor activity.
Get out of the and
If given another chance, I would love to live there again. Let's see what he has in store for me. The future looks bright with the Lord by my side. I will just be counting on His light that will shine along the path that I'll take. When I finished my degree last December of 2019, I very much looked forward to marching at the Royal Festival Hall where the commencement exercises would be held. 1 year later, a virtual ceremony was finally held, and I couldn't be happier because I was still surrounded by the people I love, and I was just so surprised, and I feel so blessed that they really went all out to make this short graduation ceremony for me possible. It was just a day full of surprises, and I'm just so happy that I wouldn't have the celebration of my graduation in any other way. Alright, there's my cap. Thank you to my parents for DIYing this beautiful fan cap and this toga that I have. Okay, so nagka-problem sa live stream, so the graduation's basically delayed. So let's hope this is like the final countdown. Basically explaining that there's a problem. There's me, class of 2020. And sana, ito na yon. I hope that it's finally graduation na talaga. Like the commencement exercises. My watch party is ready. There. So are my parents. So, yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'm James Pennell, UAL President and Vice Chancellor, and it is my great pleasure to welcome you to this joyful celebration of our graduating students from 2020 and 2021. A virtual ceremony is not what anyone would have wished for, but we hope you will be able to join us for an in-person ceremony at some point over the next 5 years.
When it's a start. There's Rashida on the way.
That's so sad! It's loading!
There's Rashida. Who's Rashida?
At least naka-freeze yung pangalan ko doon. Yay! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you, baby! Got flowers from my dad. Diba? Ask me to sit here. I think there's gonna be another photo op. Okay, so gonna relax here and wait for their instructions. That's my big gown here. The ceremony is
Raising Ysabel has always been easy. She is someone who always had something to talk
Is
about.
this for my debut?
So there was never a dull moment. Started very early. She was an avid reader at 4 years old and a passionate writer at 6. She would choose a bookstore over a toy store, hands down. Through her growing up years, we already knew she had a passion for writing. For more than 12 years, her love for the sport of ice skating took most of her free time, but she still managed to do small trips to National Bookstore or fully booked to do one of her favorite pastimes, reading. Her special gift of remembering dates, certain details of family events, and documenting special gatherings continued to shine through as she lives up to her potential in being an outstanding journalist. If this surprise were for anyone else, we all know she would have been the one making this instead.
Congratulations, Ysabel. I am so proud of you for finally finishing your master's degree in London.
I love you and I'm always here for you. Hopefully our Europe trip pushes through in the next few years, and I'm so excited for it, and I'm so excited for what you have in store for you in the future.
Like you, it's one in a million chances of feeling the way we do. And with every step together, we just keep on getting better. So can I have this? Can I have this dance? Can I have this dance? Can I have this dance? Can I have this dance?
Cheers to us, class of 2020. We did it.